Marketing. I'm your host, Brooklyn Bettis.
And I'm your host, Nathan Newcastle. And today, we have a lot planned, starting it off with Spill the Tea.
Then, what's hot or not with Sink or Swim.
Blind testing burgers on Ranker.
Then, we're ending it off with the relay race with challenge accepted.
And today's quote of the day is, being happy is the greatest form of success.
Hey Nathan, are you ready to spill some tea?
Let's go.
Welcome to Spill the Tea. I am your host, Kyra Payne, and we're going to be asking high school students easy elementary school questions. Excuse me. Hi, so I'm hosting Spill the Tea today. Would you guys want to answer some easy elementary school questions?
Sure.
And what's your guys' names?
I'm Bree.
Nima. Okay, and these should be really easy. If not, you might want to be embarrassed. So, recite the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic of which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right.
Shout out to playing soccer. Shout out to my
That's
middle
pretty
school
good, actually.
because they taught me. So,
All right, that was pretty good, actually. Nima, convert 1/4 into a decimal.
Okay. 0.25.
You got that right. Okay. Good job. Excuse me, sir. Okay. So, hey, so I'm Kyra, and I'm hosting Spill the Tea today.
Okay.
And would you want to answer some easy elementary school questions?
No, yeah.
Okay. And what's your guys' names?
Bria.
Dallas. Okay. So, Bria, I'm going to ask you a question first.
Okay.
What prominent American author said sometimes the questions are complicated and the answers are simple?
Dr. Seuss.
Ding, ding, ding. Oh my God, you got that right. Okay, that's actually good.
Thank you.
Okay. Dallas.
Yes.
Who was the 16th president of the United States?
Hello.
George Washington.
Oh my God. Ooh. It was
Thomas Jeff. Oh.
It was Abraham.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, we done. Oh.
I'll tell you, you don't know. Anyways, so what are the primary colors, Bria?
Primary colors. Okay. Red. That right. Okay. Red, green, blue, and yellow.
Green was unnecessary.
Oh.
It's just red, yellow, and blue.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, because I got it.
And now this one, I'm gonna let you guys work together. Recite the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Slay, that was in sync and perfect. All right.
Period.
You did pretty good,
No
actually.
bomb.
3 things about the construction program.
I would say 3 things about our program that's unique is it's a lot of hands-on work. We introduce you to a lot of different trades, and it's a lot of fun.
What made you interested in construction? My dad bought a house in Detroit. He flipped it, and he kind of got me involved in it. I like the satisfaction of like saying, oh, I did that.
Hi, welcome back to Totally Marketing. My name is Greg Tester.
And I'm Madison Boatwright, and today we will be doing Sink or Swim, a category where we figure out what's in and what's not.
Welcome to Sink or Swim. We are your hosts, Nima and...
My name is Xavier, and we're going to be talking about what's harder now.
So we have Taylor, Morgan, and Brianna. Are you ready to play Sink or Swim today? Yes.
Okay, our first question is, how do you guys feel about Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce's relationship?
3 sinks.
I just feel like it's just not gonna last. You know, I believe it's just for publicity, isn't it?
Publicity? Wow.
What do you think?
I think they both famous, so they just wanna get famous off each other.
So it's for the money.
Yeah.
Okay.
So today we have the song Grown Woman by Beyonce, and I want to know if it's a sink or swim for you guys. Swim? Okay, so the next question is about the Barbie movie. Have all of you guys saw the Barbie movie?
Yes.
Okay, so Barbie is a movie that champions female joy and self-expression by embracing all the beautiful complexities that come with being a human being. Is that a sink or swim? So why do you guys believe that?
I mean, it promotes good morals and just positivity for everyone.
So 1 through 10, what would you rate the Barbie movie?
I rate the Barbie movie a 9 because it was showing how girls can come together, and they was basically like going against the men in the movie. So I rated it a 9.
Yeah, I like the movie too. And they had Nicki Minaj, so that was a plus.
Okay. What is your opinion on Donald Trump running for the 2024 president election?
Sink, swim, sink.
Okay, can you give me your opinion?
I just feel like Donald Trump is always negative, and I just.
Morgan?
Even though Donald Trump is always negative, we literally have someone who's mentally deteriorating in office. We just need someone else that is better.
Okay. Brianna?
I'd rather not have him in office.
Thank you for playing Sink or Swim.
We are your hosts again, Nima and
Xavion. We hope you have fun.
You think you want to be an engineer? Machining.
Programming.
Competitions.
3D printing.
Designing.
Mechanical.
Electrical.
Mechatronics.
This could be the program for you.
Welcome back to Totally Marketing. We're your hosts, Nassim Cole and
Jorana Turner, and next up is Ranker.
Welcome to Ranker. I'm your host, DQ Milton. Today we have 3 contestants and they're going to be blind taste testing 3 different burgers. We're going to see which one they like the best. Our contestants are Cooper, Elena, and Thomas. Contestants, please put on your blindfolds. Alright contestants, here's burger number 1. Put my hand in my
my finger just got dipped in a bunch of ketchup.
This one's disgusting. This one sucks.
Yeah, this is nasty. Yo, what did I just eat?
Alright contestants, here's burger number 2.
You're so corny. Not the worst one.
Yo, this is definitely checkers.
No, not yet.
That's for my food. That's really nasty.
Alright, and here's burger number 3.
Yo, this one does not feel tasty. Hold on.
Oh, is this mystery meat?
Whoa, Thomas, come on, man.
Yo, Xavier, I going for bite 2?
Alright contestants, now that you tasted all burgers, it's time for you to rank them.
So, me and my others are gonna rank the first one. We're gonna rank that the last because the first one was disgusting. And then the second one we got, we're gonna rank that as first place. That one tasted probably the best out of all of them. And then the third one, we're gonna put as number 2 because like the first one was hot garbage. So like, what else? You know?
Alright, well now that we heard your rankings, the first burger was the Wendy's Junior Classic Cheeseburger. The second burger was the McDonald's cheeseburger, and the third one was the Checkers All-American.
Welcome back to Totally Marketing. We hope you're enjoying the show. My name is Grace.
My name's Gabe, and our last segment of today is Challenging Accepted. I hope you enjoy.
My name is Vi Peacock. This is Challenge Accepted, and today I'm going to be showing you two teams going head to head in a difficult.
3, 2, 1.
But we made it. My team did good, and the other team did good, and yeah, that's all.
Welcome back, it's Shani. I'm here with Claire. What was your favorite segment?
My favorite segment was Spill the Tea.
That is awesome.
We just really hope you guys enjoyed every segment that we showcased throughout all the programs and all the different things that we have going on here at OSTC.
We've had so much fun with all of our programs.
And we just want to thank you guys for watching and being attentive. We really appreciate it.
Bye.